Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will study about application layer. The application layer is the seventh layer of OSI model. It enables the user to access the network. And this application layer provides user interfaces and support for services such as electronic mail, remote file access and transfer, shared database management. Some specific services provided by the application layer are here we are going to discuss, right? One of the services that this application layer, it provides the basis for email forwarding and storage, right? Another service is file transfer access and management, right? In this what happens, a user can access and retrieve files from remote computer, right? In this, user can access and retrieve files from remote computer, and user can manage or control files in remote computer locally, right? Another is directory services, right? In this what happens, it provides access for global information about various objects and services, right? So another service which is provided by the application layer is network virtual terminal, right? What happens in it? It allows a user to log on to a remote host, right? The application creates a software emulation of a terminal at the remote host, right? And the user's computer talks with the software terminal, right, which in turn talks to the host and vice versa, right? So what happens in a network virtual terminal, it allows a user to log on to a remote host